everyone, it's Amy. Today I have for you the May Madam Glam collection. This is the House of Life. So for May, Madam Glam did release the House of Life collection. So I did get 4 out of the 8 colors of this collection. I want to go ahead and swatch them and do a little tutorial for you guys. So starting off, we have Guardian Angel. So here's what Guardian Angel looks like. This is a pretty light blue. It's got a little smokiness, like it's almost got like a gray tone to it. Really pretty, it'd be a nice sky blue color. Next one is Healing Glam. Here's what Healing Glam looks like. It is a pretty light to medium purple shade, a little bit on the pinky side. Next is Mama Bear. Here is what Mama Bear looks like. It is a blue, almost periwinkle type of a shade. I am curious to compare this to one other periwinkle shade that I have from Madam Glam. And the last one I have here is Spirit Guide. Here is what Spirit Guide looks like. It is a light to medium pink color, almost like a bubble gum, but not quite as bright. I'm going to go ahead and cure and top coat these, and then we'll come back with some comparisons. Okay, so here's what the 4 colors look like. They are really pretty, remind me of like cotton candy type vibes. I do want to do some comparisons really quick. So for Guardian Angel, I pulled Pure Cloud, which is a little bit more on the green side. This one is Candyland, which is definitely more of a teal. And then I pulled I Rule, which was from last month's collection, which is a little bit brighter / darker. But if you're looking at them all together, they're all a little different, but I feel like these two do get a little close, but they're still slightly different. Then for Healing Glam, I pulled Lavender Springs, which you could see Healing Glam is quite a bit more pink in shade, and then Light Lilac. Again, this is more pink. This is definitely is like a pinky purple, but if I pull the pink next to it, it definitely looks more purple. For Mama Bear, this is Bluebell. These are the 2 that I wanted to compare. I feel like they're a little bit different, but they do get close. So I don't know if it's coming up on camera good enough, but Mama Bear is a little darker and more towards a traditional blue, versus Bluebell is a little bit more of that traditional periwinkle. But honestly, if you just look at them side by side, they look pretty similar. And then for Spirit Guide, I pulled Angelic Sonata, which is quite a bit lighter in shade. This one's Tulips. Again, a little bit brighter. And then this one is Pop the Champagne from last month's collection. Again, a little bit brighter. But if we're looking at the range here, these 2 do get. So overall, these colors are different, but just slightly. I feel like my favorite is definitely the purple. The purple is the only one that didn't fully compare to what I have. The other three, I have stuff that is fairly close that I could have gotten away without these colors. So do with that information what you will. If you don't have the other colors, then definitely like pick these up. They're very pigmented, all that good stuff. But if you have some of the other ones, you might not necessarily need these. I'll put up on the screen the full colors of this collection here so you could take a look at everything. And I do want to do a tutorial for you guys, so let's get into that. So here is the design I created. I actually used all four of the colors that I got in. They blend together so well to create this beautiful like sunset sky. Of course, I added some glitter, some clouds and stars. Came out so pretty, and I love the blend of these colors. So here are again the four colors that I got in from the House of Life collection. Here is the design that I came out with. You guys will have to let me know in the comments what you think of this collection. I'm like on the fence about it. I'm like, I do like the colors, but we have similar things, but maybe I should have picked up some of the other colors. You guys will have to let me know what you are picking up. But if you are picking up anything, Madam Glam is having a 2-day shopping event. It is going to be Tuesday and Wednesday. I'll have the dates written up on the screen as well as in the description box. I have a 50% off code that is only valid for those 2 days, a minimum of a 3-item purchase. But if you need to stock up on your spring and summer Madam Glam colors, this is the perfect time to do so. So again, make sure to check out my code. It'll be up on the screen as well as in the description box. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my swatching videos. Make sure you're subscribed for more tutorials coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.